Let me guess. You said new year, new me last year, and the year before that, and probably the year before that too. And somehow, it's still the same phone, same habits, same procrastination, same version of you. Here's the truth nobody likes hearing. You don't need a new you. You need new systems around you. Stay with me for the next few minutes, because if you usually quit by February, this video is exactly for you. Part 1. Why? New year, new me keeps failing? We love big dramatic sentences. I'll wake up at 5. I'll study 10 hours a day. I'll cut off all distractions forever. And then real life hits. School stress, family problems, burnout, phone addiction, bad sleep, zero energy. And you think, wow, I'm just lazy. But you're not lazy. You're just trying to run new software on old hardware. You're trying to build discipline while keeping the same room, same friends, same apps, same routines. That never works. Mini pause. The problem is not motivation. Motivation is easy. You get it from music, TikTok clips, gym edits. The problem is friction. If your life is built in a way where your bed is next to your phone, your desk is messy, notifications attack your brain, your notes are unorganized, then of course you'll fail. Part 2. Identity versus goals. Here's the shift for 2026. Stop chasing goals. Start becoming a type of person. Don't say, I want to study more. Say, I am the kind of person who studies a little every day. Don't say, I want to wake up early. Say, I am the kind of person who doesn't snooze. Identity sticks. Goals disappear. Think about it. A smoker who says, I'm trying to quit, still identifies as a smoker. The one who says, I don't smoke anymore, has already shifted identity. Your brain follows identity. Part 3. The 3-system reset. So what do you do instead of new year, new me? You build 3 systems only. Not 20 habits. Not 100 resolutions. Just 3. System 1. Environment setup. Your environment beats your willpower. Make success the default option. Put your phone far away when studying. Keep one open notebook on your desk. Remove junk apps from your home screen. Put your charger away from your bed. Water bottle on your table always. You shouldn't be fighting temptation constantly. Just don't keep temptation next to you. System 2. Tiny daily rule. Pick one stupidly small rule that you'll follow even on your worst days. Like 10 minutes of study minimum. Read 2 pages. 5 push-ups. Write 1 sentence. Review flashcards for 3 minutes. It should be so small, your brain can't argue. Because small actions do something powerful. They keep the identity alive. You can always do 10 minutes even when life sucks. System 3. Weekly reset. Instead of waiting for January 1st, reset every 7 days. 1 day a week, clean your desk, rewrite your to-do list, delete useless screenshots, organize your notes, reflect on what went wrong. You don't need a new year. You need a new week, repeatedly. Mini cliffhanger. Pause. This is how disciplined people work. They don't stay perfect. They just reset faster than everyone else. Part 4. What to do when you fall off. And yes, you will fall off. You will procrastinate. You will lose streaks. You will mess up routines. Here's the rule. Don't restart from 0. Restart from now. You didn't ruin everything. You just missed a day. Say this out loud. I don't quit. I resume. That's the difference between people who transform and people who repeat the same year 10 times. Part 5. Your 2026 challenge. So here's your real challenge. Not new year, new me. But same me. But upgraded systems. You don't need to become someone else. You just need to support yourself better. Sleep a bit better. Move a bit more. Study a bit daily. Reduce friction around good habits. Tiny, boring, consistent upgrades. That's what actually changes your life. Closing message. If nobody has told you this yet, you are not behind. You are not broken. Your story isn't late. You just haven't built the right systems yet. This year isn't about proving yourself to others. It's about quietly becoming someone you're proud to be alone in your room at night. Call to action. Do this tonight. Clean your desk. Choose one tiny daily rule. Plan a weekly reset day. Then come back and tell me how it feels. After a week. And if you're serious about leveling up in 2026, subscribe. Stay around, we're building discipline together. Let's make this the year of systems, not slogans.